Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by prioritizing safety and correct refrigerant. The 2019 Jeep Cherokee uses R1234 if, so use that specific refrigerant, goggles, and gloves. Park on level ground, engine off, and relieve system pressure by removing the cap from the low-pressure service port near the accumulator. Assemble a manifold gauge set, a vacuum pump, a tap or refrigerant scale, a leak detector or UV dye, and about 450 grams, 9 Oz of R1234 if. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and work in a ventilated area. With the gauges attached to the high and low ports and caps removed, start the vacuum pump and pull the system down to 29 in Hg. Maintain that vacuum for at least 30 minutes to remove air and moisture. Close the manifold valves and isolate the system. Watch for any pressure rise over 10 minutes, which indicates a leak. If the vacuum does not hold, inject UV dye and run the system to reveal leaks or use an electronic leak detector. Then repair leaks before proceeding to recharge. Start the engine and set the air conditioning to maximum blower and coldest temperature. Have the manifold gauges and scale ready. Attach the refrigerant can to the can tap, invert when instructed by the tap, and open the low side valve briefly to add refrigerant in 5-10 second bursts while watching gauges. Aim for a stabilized low side pressure of approximately 25-45 psi during operation. Weigh refrigerant to reach about 450 grams total. If low side pressure remains under 20 psi or the high side climbs unusually high, stop and diagnose compressor or obstruction issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.